Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The questions comes from Japan Math Test. It's a nice study for students to understand factorization through basic math formula. Please factorize x cubed plus quantity x squared minus 3x plus 6 squares plus 18. Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. The questions to factorize x cubed plus quantity x squared minus 3x plus 6 squared plus 18. If we develop the quantity x squared minus 3x plus 6 squared, then we have x power 4. It will not easy to find the result. It should have another approach. Review the items. There is x cubed and x squared minus 3x plus 6. Can we adopt x cubed formula such as quantity x plus y cubed or x cubed plus y cubed to factorize it? The formula x cubed plus y cubed equal to quantity x plus y multiplies quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared. Compare the quantity x squared minus xy plus y squared and x squared minus 3x plus 6. We may adjust x squared minus 3x plus 6 to fit in this formula. Let x squared minus 3x plus 6 become x squared minus 3x plus 3 squared. It is the pattern of the formula. After that, add plus 3 cubed into x cubed as one group, then minus 3 cubed. Develop the numbers. Adjust as the formula pattern. X cubed plus 3 cubed plus quantity bracket x squared minus 3x plus 9 bracket minus 3 squared minus 9. Then factorize x cubed plus 3 cubed as quantity x plus 3 multiplies quantity x squared minus 3x plus 9. Develop quantity bracket x squared minus 3x plus 9 brackets minus 3 squared. Then review the results. We have same factors. X squared minus 3x plus 9. Plus 9 minus 9 equal to 0. Then factorize it to get the factor x squared minus 3x plus 9. Then quantity x squared minus 3x plus 9 multiplies quantity x plus 3 plus bracket x squared minus 3x plus 9 minus 6 bracket. Simplify this to quantity as quantity x squared minus 3x plus 9 multiplies quantity x squared minus 2x plus 6. There is no more factor to process these two quantities. That is the answer. Do you get it? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.